In today, I am talking about something special about these stocks. Here you can see these stocks traded at this moment $79. Today's return, these stocks give more than 2% positive return in the last 5 days. These stocks give more than 5% return in the last 1 month. These stocks give more than 3% return. In the last 6 months, these stocks lose market valuation approx 4%. In the year to date, these stocks lose 16% market valuation. These stocks lose very poor perform. In the last 1 year, these stocks lose 37% market valuation. What do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. I am not telling you these stocks are cheap at this moment, and I am not telling you to buy and sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 5 years, these stocks give 50% return, which is very poor return, and Netflix stocks not make good return at this moment. And maximum return, if you see these stocks make how much return? 640x return. That means if you invest in these stocks only $1,000, that means your money will become $6 lakh at this moment. What do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more stocks breakdown.